Kilalanin natin ang aming latest and updated PBA mock draft para sa PBA 50th season draft. For the first pick of our PBA mock draft, the Zamboanga Valiente selects Remy Martin, 6 feet, 175 pounds, 27 years old, 25.8 points, 4.5 rebounds, 5.2 assists, 1.7 steals, 37% three-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Iceland Express League season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Remy Martin kung gaano nga ba kagaling ang player na to. For the second pick of our PBA mock draft, the Phoenix Fuel Master selects Quentin Milora Brown, 6'10", 245 pounds, 24 years old, 8.6 points, 9.4 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1 steal, 1.3 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87 season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni Quentin Milora Brown kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. For the third pick of our PBA mock draft, the Blackwater Bossing selects
Carl Tamayo, 6'8", 202 pounds, 24 years old, 15.1 points, 5.8 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 0.8 steals, 31% three-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages.
Panoorin natin ang best game highlights ni Carl Tamayo sa KBL kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. For the fourth pick of our PBA mock draft, the NLEX Road Warriors selects Dwight Ramos, 6'4", 210 pounds, 26 years old, 11.6 points, 2.7 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 0.7 steals, 36% three-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best game highlights ni Dwight Ramos kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na Pinoy import sa Japan. For the fifth pick of our PBA mock draft, the Northport Batang Pier selects Mike Phillips, 6'8", 220 pounds, 23 years old, 15.5 points, 11.5 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 1.7 steals, 1.5 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 60% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87 season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting game highlights ni Mike Phillips last 87th season. For the sixth pick of our PBA mock draft, the Miracle Bolt selects Terdy Ravenna, 6'2", 213 pounds, 28 years old, 12.6 points, 4.9 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 1 steal, 26% three-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang maikling basketball highlights ni Ravenna dati nang nag-Asian import siya sa Japan B-League. For the 7th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Converge Fiber Extra Selects DJ Fener, 6'6", 215 pounds, 31 years old, 13.8 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 1.5 steals, 0.2 blocks, 40% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Holland DBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting basketball highlights ni DJ Fener kung gaano nga ba kagaling ang player na to. For the 8th pick of our PBA mock draft, the San Miguel Beermen selects Renz Abando, 6'2", 157 pounds, 27 years old, 6.6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1 steal, 1.6 blocks, 47% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 43rd William Jones Cup averages. Panoorin natin ang mga kaunting game highlights ni Renz Abando sa KBL bago nga ito na injury. For the 9th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Rain or Shine Elasto Painter selects Kobe Paras, 6'6", 200 pounds, 27 years old, 5.3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.7 steals, 0.5 blocks, 35% 3-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang maikling basketball highlights ni Kobe Paras, dati nang nag-Asian import siya sa Japan B-League. For the 10th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Magnolia Hotshot selects Cassius Small Martin, 6'1", 185 pounds, 27 years old, 9.5 points, 2.8 rebounds, 3 assists, 0.9 steals, 29% 3-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Brock University season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting basketball highlights ni KSM kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na player. For the 11th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Barangay Ginebra selects Jason Brickman, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 17.9 points, 6.3 rebounds, 12.7 assists, 2 steals, 45% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Taiwan TPBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang maikling basketball highlights ni Jason Brickman sa Taiwan kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na Asian import. For the 12th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Rain or Shine Elasto Painter selects via TNT pick JD Kagulangan, 5'9", 160 pounds, 25 years old, 6.8 points, 2.4 rebounds, 4 assists, 1.6 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang isa sa mga best game highlights ni JD Kagulangan sa KBL ngayon kung gaano na nga ba siya nag-improved bilang isang player. Ito ang aming latest and updated PBA mock draft para sa PBA 50th season draft. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, Magpapadraft na kaya ang mga draft prospect na ito ngayong 50th draft? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.